Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
What did I
I'm
do?
not dealing with your ass and I'm bullshit anymore. I dealt with it 2 years ago. Get out. Get out!
I'm making my way there. Almost out.
Thank you. The fuck's wrong, you fucking idiot? Tell him Bobby Joe I don't want his ass here. And Tarla, you can get the hell out too. You stay one more. Can't stand you motherfuckers.
I've seen it too. I'm so sorry.
You're done. Don't even think you're getting a cycle from me.
I didn't do nothing. Let's fucking sit there and fucking
Shut the fuck up
text
now!
on my phone.
Shut up!
Make me. Exactly.
Alright.